But that sheet, anytime we grow a new seed, a new crop, a new mix, it goes in there first before we sell, and we make sure we have that. I wish I had that sheet developed when I first started. It'd been a lot easier to figure out what money we were making on each product and each mix and everything else. But in the beginning, you definitely just what is the farmers markets were selling at, what the other competition was selling at, what was the grocery store selling at, what was their price point. And it's kind of went off of that and then said, hey, I think we can make money at this. I put it on pencil and paper and like figured that out. But obviously the spreadsheet works tremendously better for that. But you got to make sure you know your price. You got to know your cost so you can know what price you can set.
Got to know the numbers, that's for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's very tempting when you have a distributor or somebody large that comes to you and says, hey, I'd love to buy, 200 8-ounce packs of bull's blood beets every single week, but I'm only willing to pay $6 a pack or something.